She fires out negatively charged silk thread into the positively charged atmosphere, pulling her up, up and away. Home to a baby cupboard spider, no bigger than a pinhead. She's got about 200 brothers and sisters, and her siblings have some truly appalling table manners. These spiderlings are cannibals. This is one family meal you don't want to hang around for. Better get away. As fast and as far as she can. The trouble is, her siblings have the same plan. And she just ran out of road. But when it comes to great escapes, this spider has an extraordinary skill.